Ow. Say ow. Ow. Okay, fine. Can you say mama? Oh. Dada. Say dada. Dada, dada, dada. Say Ella. Say Ella. Your foot stuck. You got your foot stuck.
Yep, time to suck on the arm. It means it's hungry time. Uh-oh, baby attack! Baby attack! Say hi! Hi! Say hi!
You stinker. You're a little stinker.
Uh-oh. Oh, baby's got phone. What are you doing? Can I have that phone back? Please? Can I please have the phone back? No?
Give Daddy the phone.
Can I have the phone? Ella Bell, can I have the phone? Hey, can I have phone? Can I have the phone? Please? Ella, I need the phone. Thank you very much. That was nice of you. Uh-oh, she looks unhappy that she doesn't have the phone. She's gonna come get it.